What's going on, guys? Welcome to Paralefty. I'm Lauren and we're working on the Focus again. We got a part in. It's been one that I debated a lot of different options for, and actually I can't really say that. There's only a few options. So this deal was too good to pass up, and it was bought, never installed, and sold as a used part. So let's unbox it.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain.
Alright, so unfortunately we're going to have to look online and see if we can find any mounting instructions. Right, so, I mean, I guess we could put it together. But there's no. So it's in. Where's the part? Bolt. The bolt. Oh, there. Oh. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna have to find some hardware that'll fit through those. That'll bolt the spoiler to the mounting bracket. I'm gonna go through all this, but we'll be right back and we'll start mocking it up to the car and figuring out where it's gonna bolt in.
For all the pain. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
So, I'm gonna have to, you lift it up. You can't. So we'll have to figure some things out, like this.
Make sure you have to take that off.
Yep. So, and then we're gonna have to figure out there's some mounting points out. Because it's supposed to, I guess, sit there and then, I don't know. I don't know where the one parts are gonna drill in. We're gonna have to center it, and we'll figure out exactly where center is.
I don't know how to put it into the window.
Right. So, I understand that. And we won't. But it's also too high. It'll sit probably somewhat like that. You excited? I'm excited.
No. It's gonna cover up the entire window. How the hell do you see out of it?
See out of what? I don't ever look out of it. We don't need a stinking rear window. What we're gonna have to do is measure it exactly and find out where these bolts are going to go. And then we'll be able to adjust kind of accordingly once we can mount it on the bottom, which we're going to figure out what our mounting points are, because if I wanted to mount it here, that would be impossible. But I think that there's a flat surface there. I think I'm going to drill through that, and then that's what we'll do. And we'll bolt it on. We're going to mock these up onto that, figure out what the distance between bolt and this bolt is, and then split it in half, measure from our center line here, and then mark, punch, drill, bolt, and then we're good to go. Hopefully.
And when you're alone, do you say my name? Or you
Time to drill holes into my $15,000 car after we punch them.
say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history.
There we go! Guys, it's been about an hour. the show must go on. The GoPro memory card was full. And so we had to drive on with the circus. What's up? You need help? Can you wait a minute? All right. So let me catch you up real quick, and then we'll continue. So we had to take the rear spoiler off. In order to do that, there's 2 bolts here and 2 bolts here. 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there, and 1 bolt there. Sorry about the motion sickness if you get any. Underneath that panel. We had to remove the back panel so that we could get the bolts in. And then we drilled access holes so that we could get to the nuts. There's one there, there's one there. Fortunately, that will be covered up by this rear piece of plastic that has 1,000 clips on it.
1,000?
And 4 bolts. 1,000 clips and 4 bolts. So, the reason why we had to remove the spoiler was because we weren't able to slide the new spoiler underneath it while getting it into the mounting points. So I'm going to lower the trunk now, so that means get out, and show you exactly what it looks like.